Guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here, then welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna talk about some skincare products from the brand The Moms Co, and they have sent me this daily skincare essential kit, and this kit includes this natural Vita rich face wash, this natural daily face toner which is their newly launched product, and this natural Vita rich face cream. And this kit retails for $9.69. You can buy this entire kit or you can buy the products separately, and all their products are easily available online. You can buy them from Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon, or you can buy their products from their original website, and I will share all the link into the description. And guys, I have been using Moms Co products for almost a year now, and I really like this face wash and this eye cream, and now they have sent me this entire kit to try. And in today's video I'm going to talk about all these three products. So yeah, without wasting time, let's get started. This kit contains 3 products for our 3-step daily skincare. Step 1 face wash, step 2 face toner, and step 3 face cream. And all their products are paraben free, cruelty free, SLS and SLES free, mineral oil free, and silicone free, and also dermatologically tested, PETA certified and Australian certified, which is very difficult to achieve. So the first thing I'm going to talk about this face wash, and this is their natural Vita rich face wash with vitamin C, B3, B5 and hyaluronic acid. The price of the product is $3.48 and you're gonna get 100 ml of product. It comes in this kind of pump packaging, and it's a gel based face wash. Just take 1 or 2 pump, massage it on your wet face, then wash it off with water and pat dry. It's a very mild face wash, and after use my skin feels very fresh, soft and supple. It's because of the hyaluronic acid which help to replenish lost moisture. This face wash has vitamin C which help to reduce the pigmentation and shield the skin from pollution. And also there is vitamin B3 which help to improve uneven skin tone and fine lines. It also loaded with some essential oils like lemon oil, bergamot oil, patchouli oil, and also neem leaf extract and witch hazel, and their astringent property making this face wash great for oily and especially acne prone skin. I have combination skin, my T-zone is a little oily and my cheeks are a little dry, and this face wash works for me. Next, move on to their newly launched product, and this is their alcohol-free natural daily face toner. This toner enriched with vitamin C and niacinamide which help to reduce the pigmentation and even out the uneven skin tone and fine lines. It also contains 5 plant-based AHAs and witch hazel which help to exfoliate the skin, remove excess oil and tighten the pores, while green tea extract protects skin from any acne causing bacteria, and aloe vera hydrates the skin. After face wash, let your face dry a little bit and then apply it with a cotton pad or a tapping motion, and then let it dry for better absorption. This is their newly launched face toner, and it retails for $2.26, and you're gonna get 100 ml of product. It maintains skin pH, tightens the pores and evens the skin tone and provide hydration little bit. And guys, it has a very mild fragrance on it which I love absolutely. It's very mild and refreshing, and guys, it is clearly mentioned that this toner contains AHAs. That's why I prefer to use it at night and then follow it up with this natural Vita rich face cream. This natural Vita rich face cream enriched with vitamin C, B3, B5, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. It retails for $3.93 and you're gonna get 25 ml of product. This is their anti-pigmentation cream, and it comes in this kind of pump packaging. This cream is off-white in color, and this is very lightweight cream, absorbed completely, and this is very good moisturizer for summer. This cream contains with vitamin C rich kakadu plum, which help to improve skin radiant and reduce appearances of wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid help to replenish moisture and improve appearances of fine lines. Chia seed oil is a rich source of omega fatty 3 acid, and this omega fatty 3 acid help to restore skin moisture. And it also contains arbutinine, which is known for skin lightening and depigmentation. So basically this cream lighten up the pigmentation and also prevent further pigmentation. So that's my thought and review about this product. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.